I ordered a basket of black lava. Now, usually a basket is about like this. Yeah, landscaper problems. I'm gonna have to have the rock yard come and haul this off. It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and the grand reveal in Poway. 5 days, a crew of as many as 8, 10 yards of soil, I don't even know how many ton of rock, a couple of loads of plants, and we knocked her out. So what we have here is our assortment of specimen plants. We pulled in the black chunky lava rock to add that third dimension, that third level. This irrigation is just modified from regular spray to MP rotators. So we have overhead spray in this bed. Same over here, MP rotators at the corners. MP rotators put out a much slower, more efficient spray. We pulled in 3/8-inch California Gold rock. The client was not feeling the DG, and I'm kind of with her. It's okay in pathways, but I don't like it in installation areas and the garden areas because it looks kind of like dirt. So we did the 3/8-inch, then I brought in some burgundy lava, and the client's husband, Eric, actually suggested that we pull some of the chunky black rubble in here too, and I think it looks amazing! Okay. And Josue worked really hard today on all the finish work in the tapestry. This is the bed that we installed on Thursday. Took out all those ugly shrubs, put in about, was a full load of plants from Oasis, plus about 12 5-gallon foundation plants from Waterwise Botanicals. Same treatment, 3/8-inch California Gold, 3/4-inch burgundy lava, and the chunky black rock in the back to add that third layer of interest. We just tightened up these beds over here by, again, putting the 3/8-inch on the DG, running some ribbons, and adding a few plants to kind of fluff it up. These beds here got a brand new treatment of plants. I really recommend the Bacarnia recurvata as a great palm tree by pool. This wants to house the water. Whoa. Same treatment over here. So wow, it has been a day. And this has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with Team DFS. And your grand reveal in Poway.